What's good, YouTube? This your boy, J Diggy 90. So you just gonna slide? Fuck it. This your boy, J Diggy 92. Coming at y'all with another unboxing, as y'all can see. And of course, as you can see, this one's from the homies over at StockX. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I'm not really in like a great mood. I just got off work and had like the best intentions of recording hella shit tonight, but I get here and one of my packages from USPS isn't here. That shit was like a good $100, and this is the second time this shit has happened. So I'm kind of like hella, I'm not even kind of like, I'm really irritated, but y'all ain't coming here hear that shit. Just if my energy ain't through the roof, it is what it is. And shouts out to all y'all that's been commenting on videos. Get to the point. Fast forward, bitch. That's all I gotta say. So look, we gonna get into this bag first, right? Shout out to the StockX. I got this for a particular reason. I already know what it is, but you all don't. And I got this actually for this upcoming Friday. My sister's birthday is on Friday, and I needed a 5 fit, and so I went ahead and copped this Marvin Gaye Supreme tee. Yes, nigga, I got a Supreme tee. Like, don't expect me to keep copping Supreme, nigga, because that's not my wave. It's not my thing for real. And this bitch looks small as hell. I got an extra large, but I don't know. Hopefully I can fit it. So this is the Marvin Gaye jump. No official review on this. I don't really need to do official review on this shit. So yeah, I got this size extra large. Hopefully it fits. Hopefully it's fine. If not, fuck it. Yeah, but this is what I really want to get into. Like I said, I'm sorry my energy ain't through the roof. I'm pissed. But yeah. So we're gonna get into this. Hopefully this is what I think it is, and I ain't get finessed or some shit, because this box is way bigger than I expected it to be. So I'm hoping and praying, because if not, I'm liable to just walk the fuck off and end the video. Like, so let's just hope. Like, just hope. Shouts out to StockX, because I need these for Friday, and if they ain't what I think they are, I'm kind of fucked. I'm screwed, and I don't know what to do. Luckily, these are, because I can already see the box. So luckily, this is going right. In the box, it's fucking damn great already. But y'all can see we got this big ass Adidas box. Just get that the fuck out the way. This shit is fucking huge. I guess because of what it is. I don't smell shit, but let's go ahead and get straight into this unboxing. I'm just pissed my damn box already fucked up. Damn. It's a box inside of a box? What the fuck? Shout out to StockX, I guess. What the fuck is Alexander Wang? I guess. I don't know. What the fuck is this for? This wasn't even necessary. This thick ass box for no reason. God damn. You doing extra shit, man. Don't turn into Nike doing this extra dumbass shit and it ain't necessary. Cause shit, I don't got nowhere to put this thick ass box. This thick ass unnecessary ass box. Damn. Fucking designer shit. This is why I don't buy that shit. This let's just look at the shoes. Well, these ones thick as hell, boy. Shit, these look like 500s, goddamn. But these are the oh shit, materials kind of. Oh shit, the materials is there. That's a good thing. Kind of stiff the bottom though. Stiff ass bottom. I don't even know if I could wear these because the materials and it's finna rain. Like I don't. Fuck. I'm just all fucked up in the game. But these are the Alexander Wang Adidas turnout trainer jumps. It's the collab between Alexander Wang and Adidas. So I copped these on StockX, like I said, because I needed a 5 fit, and I think these go well together. I wanted them for this. I don't know. I guess it looked, cause the colors. Y'all get what I'm saying? Shit. But yeah, I think I could finesse it for what I'm wearing. I just gotta turn on God mode one good time. I'll be straight. Hashtag God mode. I don't think I've said that in a long time. But yeah, man, this is the unboxing. I got a few more of these to do. Fuck it. Like I said, I got a few more of these to do, and I'm kind of already irritated, so I don't want to do it, but I kind of have to, because if not, I don't really have time to do it any other time. So shouts out to the Marvin Gaye tee for the simple box tee, and shouts out to the Alexander complicated Wang shoe that comes with random pieces. Just hello? Who this? USPS. Bitch, where my package? The fuck? I'm serious about that shit. That shit got me tight. But yeah, I'm gonna actually try these on and see how they fit me. Hopefully they fit straight. Cause if not, I don't even care at this point. I'm just through. Then come to find out, my fucking camera lens ain't the one that it's supposed to be, and I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't know what the fuck I'm finna do with it, because I don't know. Maybe I just get some good shots with like the clothes or something, but I don't. Today has been, the end of today has been hella bad. Like, I don't know, niggas can just never have like a great day all day. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, because I feel some type of way right now, and it's probably gonna rub off in the video. But these will be getting a full review, full on feet, y'all know that. And yeah, StockX unboxing on possibly like a really bad day. Oh yeah, and I struck out on the LeBron 16 Watch the Throne. What else is new? Everybody strike out on Nike. Like that shit ain't even been a surprise. Like whatever. Fuck it. But yeah, man, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, that like button, subscribe to the channel so you can join the motherfucking God Squad. You already know we the best squad on YouTube. Konnichiwa, motherfucker, all that good shit. You wanna follow me on anything? You wanna see this fire ass fit that I think I could pull off still? Go ahead and follow me on IG, Twitter, Snaps, and Snapchat. All at JDiggy92. I should be posting the IG pic of this fit soon. So just be on the lookout for that if you want to see how I finesse that jump. And yeah, man. Shout out to the gaming channel, Savage God Gaming. Nigga forgot the name of the shit for a minute. I'm pushing some more vids out. I don't know. It's just rough because I'm the only one editing, and I have a slower computers. And right now we're doing like 3, almost 4 games. So I'm the only one editing, and then I have to go to work on top of that and school. So if you support the gaming channel, I appreciate it, but just know the pace might slow the fuck down, or I might just stop doing face cam because this shit just is too much. It's too much. It's too much for one person to manage like 2 channels and doing all the editing alone. So I don't know. I'm trying to stay consistent. You could have clicked off the video by now. I don't know. But I'm trying to be consistent. But it's really hard, and it's really draining. So I took a break this week, last week, because that shit, I was so drained and tired. Like, but yeah, man. Shout out to the gaming channel. Shout out to the art page, Finesse God Masterpieces. Go copy out some dope art. My Black History Month challenge is still going strong. I haven't missed a day. It's been cut close. It's been like 11:55 and I posted, but I haven't missed a day. So go support that. Show some love to that. I would definitely appreciate that big time. And yeah, man, I'm gonna get up out of here. And I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Check out that on feed, as well as the official review. And yeah, like I always say, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all when I see y'all.